HHL DK High Speed Full Servo Control Nonwoven Punching and Embossing Machine. The equipment can do deep process of punching and embossing for nonwoven material, which using diaper surface layer, panty liner surface layer, sanitary napkin surface layer, and etc. The product is used imported high-precision mold bro, suitable for spun-bond nonwoven and hot-through nonwoven punching and embossing. It can realize high-speed operation. Stable running speed can be up to 90 meters per minute. The machine is completed with full servo motor control with imported PLC programmable control. Material unwinding part is with ultrasonic system. Sliter equipped with high-speed alloy tool steel to ensure the stability of production.